watching Disney Channel.
Hey princesses! Hello! I'm so excited that you're here today. My name is Addie. I am the official makeup artist for Magic Lamp Entertainment Princesses, and they're all my best friends. But today we're going to do a really fun tutorial. We're just going to run with it and see how it goes. If you want to follow along, go ahead and get your stuff ready. Adorable, right? So, to get started off with, I have nothing on my face, absolutely nothing. There's nothing, and I'm just going to put some moisturizer on first, just so we don't have any dry spots or anything, so it doesn't crack, or our foundation doesn't crack, yeah. Perfect. Alright, we're going to let that dry just a little bit, and then we're going to get some translucent powder. It's just this white powder. We're just going to put it very lightly on top of that, our little moisturizer we just did. So we're going to let that dry. Now we're going to spray it with any setting spray. It doesn't matter what kind it is, but I have this NYX. So we're just going to spray this. We're going to let it dry. Nice and dry. We're going to put on some primer. We're going to put that all over our face just like our moisturizer. All this starting off, I know seems like a lot, but it helps your foundation stay and not crease. It helps your overall skin tone, I feel like. Ooh. See? Now we are officially ready to start the magic. First, we're going to get Tarte. It's called Found Sealer. You don't have to use these exact products at all. This is just what I prefer, and this is what I use. But this is a great coverage. It's like a medium coverage. It's not too heavy, and I really like it. But we're going to start off with this all over our face. Yeah, there we go. Lovely. And next, we're going to go ahead and go into our concealer. I'm going to use my lightest shade that I have. And we're going to just do underneath our eyes, our eyelids, nose. We're just going to outline all the places we want to highlight. So, everybody comment down below while I do this. I think that I just need some opinions on our next look to know what princess maybe we want to try next. Maybe Belle, Cinderella, Aurora. See, I'm just gonna keep naming off like a million because they're all my best friends. Jasmine loves blue, so that would be a really pretty blue look. Aurora, we could do pink or blue. Cinderella's blue as well. Maybe Anna. I'm just babbling. A little bit concealer on our eyes, just our eyelids because we didn't do that. Awesome. Now that this has dried, we're going to go through, like I said, with the translucent powder. And it's important when you're putting on translucent powder, especially on top of foundation, you always want to pat, because you don't want to, if you hit like a little bit of a wet spot, if you drag it, it can drag your makeup and it can make it look kind of muddy, and we don't want to do that. Tall dog. My cat just pooted. She pooted. Why do you think? This is Princess Stella. Say hi. Now that I know where I'm at in life, okay, we're gonna go to contour. Blend, 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 blend. Just blend until you can't blend anymore. Now we're gonna go in with our another brush, and we're gonna use this kind of yellowy color and this color, and we're gonna put it underneath our eyes. Now we have everything we need to start. Okay, so I got this at Halloween a long time ago. It's all these crazy colors, and we're gonna use the blue, and I'm thinking that we're gonna do it in a blue outline, and then we're gonna go in between the blue, and we're gonna go with white and put like sparkles everywhere. So I'm going to start off with this brush. It's kind of like a little paintbrush type. It's not very pointed anywhere. It's just like a fine line. And you can see me up here, but I am looking down because I do have a mirror right here. Ta-da! Now we have an outline of our Mickey Mouse head. We're gonna go over it with these blue sparkles. I love sparkles. Voila! Yay! White, and we're gonna outline it. Now we have the outlining done. We're going to put some eyeshadow on both of our eyes, and we're going to put this white color on our eyelids. I'm just using just a basic palette, and I'm just putting a little bit right here. Same with the other eye. We're just going to get our little blender brush right here. I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, now we are going to put on some eyeliner. And I use the NYX vinyl. Right here, NYX vinyl. And we're just going to put a wing here and a wing here. Ta-da! Much better. Okay, now that that is done, we're going to go in with some mascara. Okay, and we are almost done. Now, when we do our lipstick, we always want to do a primer and, or not a primer, but a liner. But sadly I don't have blue liner, so we're just going to use this kind of a nudie, dark nude to outline our, well, I kid. We're going to use really any color, it doesn't matter because it's going to be covered, it just helps it from being muddy and making it go like seeping out on the lines right here. Just gives it a good barrier. So we're going to outline our lips. We've outlined our lips. This is a pretty blue lipstick. It's one of my favorites. Now that is some blue lipstick. Dang. So what we're going to try is we're going to outline it with this blue that we painted with. We're just going to try it. Just going to try it. Alright, so here's our lips. They are very blue. Here is our finished look. Yay! I love it, and I loved doing this. I cannot believe it turned out the way it did, and hopefully y'all liked it just as much as I did. I can't wait to see y'all again. I hope you come back and see me. I'm Addie. I am the makeup artist for Magic Lamp Entertainment. I had a blast today. I love all of you princesses. Subscribe to our page here at the bottom and come join us for next time. Bye.